Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Google account so you can use Gmail and other Google services. To get started, you'll need a personal phone number. It's best if this number hasn't been used to create a Google account before, or at least not too many times. If a phone number is linked to too many accounts, Google will block it during the verification step. Once you have your phone number ready, go to myaccount.google.com. Then, in the top right corner of the screen, click the Create an Account button. Enter your first and last name, then hit Next. After that, fill in your birthday and gender. Now, you'll need to create a username. This will end with @gmail.com, and it will be your actual email address. If the username is already taken, you'll see an error message when you click Next. Usually, you just need to add a suffix or a few numbers to your username and try again. If the name is available, you'll move on to the next step. Choose a password for your account. Make sure to create a strong password that includes numbers and special characters. Confirm your password and hit Next. Next, grab your phone, open your QR code scanner, and scan the code showing on your computer screen. Tap the Send SMS button on your phone, then tap Open to launch your messaging app. Make sure you're sending this from the phone number you want to use for registration. Leave the default message exactly as it is, and just hit Send to verify your number. If your phone number is valid, just wait a moment, and your computer screen will automatically move to the next step. Here, you can add a recovery email address. You can also just hit Skip and set this up later. I'm going to skip both of these steps for now. After you agree to Google's terms of service, you'll be redirected back to myaccount.google.com. This is your dashboard where you can edit your personal info, set up two-factor authentication, change your password, and manage other settings. To check your email, just head over to gmail.com. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.